Hi everyone, welcome to the first section. In this section, we are going to talk about the basics of design mode. We are going to open Adobe XD for the first time, and then we are going to work with the artboards. After that, we are going to cover the shapes and lines. I will show you how to work with these and how to use them for your designs. After that, we will work with the text. I will show you everything that you need to know about the text tool and how to use it for your designs. After that, I will show you how to work with the image. We will start with importing the image and then adjusting this image for our designs. After that, we are going to cover the alignment tools and Boolean operation. And then we will cover assets and component. I will show you how to work with the assets and component. After that, we will cover the most important feature in Adobe XD, which is the repeat grid. I will show you all of the things that you need to know about the repeat grid. And at the end, you are going to cover responsive resize and plugins. This is going to be a very exciting section. I can't wait to see you inside the class. See you there. Bye bye.